A lot of people spend their entire time while preparing for UPSC just reading and hoping कि भाई इससे paper clear हो जाएगा. It's not going to happen. You can't just rely on reading. You have to revise, practice, and thereafter perform in the exam. All of these things are an integral part of your journey, and if you're waiting for somebody else to come and do it for you, it's not going to happen. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you about the Prelims SIP course, which is the Strategic Intensive Practice Program. Now, what exactly is SIP? इन फाइनेंस टर्म्स इट्स स्मॉल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स धीरे धीरे करके हम देते हैं एंड इवेंचुअली दे गिव अस अ बिग रिटर्न. Similarly, in prelims, this course will help you do an SIP into building your own intuition for each subject, SIP into MCQ practice so that nobody has to tell you the tricks. You will understand them innately by yourself. Nobody has to get you to do the work. देयर इज अ डेडलाइन एंड डेली बेसिस पे आप compete कर रहे हो लोगों के साथ जो कि सीरियस एस्पिरेंट्स है, सीरियस कैंडिडेट्स हैं, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू गेट दैट इंटेंसिव प्रैक्टिस. नाउ इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए कि भाई हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक्सटेंसिवली पढ़ते ना रह जाएं, वी ऑल्सो रिवाइज एक्सटेंसिवली एंड देन वी ऑल्सो प्रैक्टिस. इनकंसिस्टेंट प्रैक्टिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट रीजंस फॉर फेलियर इन प्रीलिम्स, क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है कि मैं अप्रैल मई तक सारा सिलेबस आई विल कवर एंड देन आई विल स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग. नो, यू नीड टू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग फ्रॉम डे वन. अगर जैसे हमारा जो लाइव क्लासेस वाला कोर्स है प्रीलिम्स 360, उसकी भी हम बात करें तो इवन देयर वी गिव डेली प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस कि भाई आज जो क्लास में पढ़ा है उसको रिव्यू कर लो. However, this particular course is aimed at building your consistency with self study. If you are studying by yourself, this course will give you particular targets, right? And those targets need to be met. उन targets के basis पे every day you will have a test. Now, why is this the case? Because we want to enforce a certain amount of discipline. We want to ensure that you do not procrastinate. We want to make consistency the non-negotiable in your UPSC preparation. And how is this going to happen? SIP में क्या होगा? Daily basis पे आपको predefined syllabus के हिसाब से पढ़ाई करने का material दिया जाएगा. That study, let's say, fundamental rights today, and tomorrow you will have a mini test of fundamental rights. I'm calling this a mini test because on 5 days of the week you will only get 25 questions. 25 questions करना बहुत बड़ी कोई बात नहीं है. आधे घंटे से ज्यादा आपको टाइम इसमें नहीं लगेगा. If you're doing 100 questions of the exam in 2 hours, 25 questions is not going to take you more than 30 minutes. But just that small step of doing that 25 questions on a daily basis is going to massively upgrade and boost your learning. क्यों? क्योंकि जब मैं टेस्ट दे देता हूं ना तो मुझे अप्लाई करने के लिए आई एम फोर्स्ड. This is the step that a lot of people are missing, that they are not applying what they have learned. After all of this, every Sunday you will have a full length test. Because प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है कि जब हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ 25 क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करते रह जाते हैं तो देन वी आर नॉट गेटिंग प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द एक्चुअल एग्जाम व्हिच इज 2 hours 100 क्वेश्चंस. सो एवरी संडे यू विल गेट अ रिमाइंडर ऑफ दैट आल्सो कि भाई अब पूरे हफ्ते में जो चीज हमने कवर करी है उसका एक फुल लेंथ टेस्ट यहाँ पे होगा. नाउ बोलने को तो ये ढेर सारे टेस्ट हो गए हैं, सो हाउ आर वी इफेक्टिवली मेंटेनिंग कंसिस्टेंसी हियर? दिस इज वेयर योर डेडलाइन कम्स इन. डेडलाइन मिडनाइट नहीं है यहाँ पे, ऑब्वियसली इट इज अ 10 PM डेडलाइन. द आइडिया इज दैट एवरी डे मॉर्निंग में जो पिछले दिन की आपकी रीडिंग थी 8 AM को एक टेस्ट आपको अवेलेबल हो जाएगा. लेट्स से ऑन मंडे you studied fundamental rights. On Tuesday at 8 AM the test will be made available to you. The test is only available to you till 10 PM, meaning you can only give the test in this duration. And based on how you perform in that test, there will be 2 leaderboards that you'll be ranked on. The daily ranking, माने कि आज के टेस्ट में आपका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा था, were you able to perform well, were you able to score well. Second, the consistency meter ranking. ये दोनों rankings के बारे में थोड़ी और बात करते हैं, but the idea is simple. When you see other serious candidates preparing by your side and pushing every day, कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होंगे because this is a 25 question का test, they will be able to score all 25 questions correctly. So that will also give you some motivation कि नहीं, अगर करा जा सकता है तो why not me? And that is the push that is sometimes needed. बाहर से जब धक्का लगता है, जब दिखाई देता है that other people are capable of doing this, so I can also. So that is where your daily ranking comes in. Consistency meter के बारे में और बात करते हैं अभी. But if you miss the deadline, you will not be counted for the daily rankings thereafter. यहाँ पे बहुत सिंपल सी चीज है. डेली रैंकिंग आपकी दोबारा फिर भी शायद जिस दिन भी आप टेस्ट दो उस दिन बन जाएगी, बट कंसिस्टेंसी ब्रेक नहीं होनी चाहिए. कंसिस्टेंसी ब्रेक ना होने के लिए देयर इज अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल रीजन. नाउ apart from all of the daily tests, every Sunday you'll have a showdown. Full length test होगा Sunday को, which will help you build your stamina for the actual 2 hour exam. ऐसा ना हो कि सिर्फ 30 मिनट के चंक्स में आई एम यूज्ड टू गिविंग अ टेस्ट एंड देयर आफ्टर व्हेन इट इज अ 2 hour एग्जाम आई लॉस्ट फोकस और आई गॉट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. नो, वी वांट यू टू बी फुली प्रिपेयर्ड. वी वांट यू टू बी thoroughly tested and ready for any stage of the exam. On top of that, inbuilt into this course, you will have some strategy sessions where we will be covering last 10 years के previous year questions. These will be covered by the respective faculties of each of these subjects. IIT is geography. I'll be taking geography के sessions over here. Strategy और experience को साथ में हम यहाँ पे जोड़ेंगे ताकि जो PYQ analysis करने की चीज आपको बार-बार बोली जाती है, this will help you do that. Consistency meter के बारे में बात करते हैं थोड़ी. Now that the testing part is done, let's talk about the consistency meter. Consistency meter is for those who show up daily, not occasionally. कि भाई हफ्ते में 2 दिन मैंने टेस्ट दे दिया और फिर मैं नहीं दिया, ये नहीं चाहिए. We want you to show up on the day, every day. बिकॉज दैट इज हाउ प्रीलिम्स इज क्लियर्ड. प्रीलिम्स क्लियर करना ऐसे नहीं होता कि मैं 4 दिन पढ़ाई करूं और फिर 4 दिन की छुट्टी है. यू हैव टू शो अप एवरी डे, बी कंसिस्टेंट. 7 से 8 घंटा अगर पढ़ रहे हो डेली बेसिस पे, इट इज वेरी पॉसिबल टू डू इट, बट एवरी डे. नाउ वी विल ट्रैक डेली टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट्स, वीकली पार्टिसिपेशन एंड योर लॉन्ग टर्म डिसिप्लिन. आपका कंसिस्टेंसी रिपोर्ट्स तो आपको मिलेंगी ही कि भाई वीकली बेसिस पे आपने कितने टेस्ट दिए, क्या आपका जनरल परफॉर्मेंस था, ट्रेंड आपका क्या चल रहा था, ऊपर जा रहे हो, नीचे जा रहे हो. But leaderboard will be for most consistent performance is in this particular case. जो daily ranking का board है, that is just for people who are scoring high in the test. The consistency meter is for the most consistent performance also. We want you to be here. We are going to push you to be here. And उसके लिए आपको एक reward भी मिलेगा. Now, reward क्या है? That the top 5% most consistent people who show up every day will be given our mains courses for free. क्यों? Because we really believe that अगर आप ये चीज कर लेते हो, you show up every day for the next 5 months, you give these tests and you do what we are asking you to do, you will clear prelims and then you will need these courses which you will get for free if you are in the top 5%. So this is how much we believe in this course कि अगर ये कर लिया, we'll see you in mains. Now, not just this, इसके अलावा आपको मेंटरशिप भी इस कोर्स में बिल्ट इन है. मेंटरशिप फॉर प्रीलिम्स. अब ये वीकली ग्रुप मेंटरशिप सेशंस होंगे जहां पे शशांक सर एंड मी विल बी देयर टू हेल्प यू, गाइड यू, मोटिवेट यू एंड keep you in the right spirits throughout the next 5 months. Not just that, you will also get one-to-one mentorship with people, past rankers, people who have vast interview experience in this exam and in multiple other UPSC exams. Not just that, you will also get some notes and value addition material, CSAT की कुछ workbooks, बहुत सारी चीजें आपको यहाँ पे साथ साथ मिलती रहेंगी. Like I said in the beginning, who should join this course? Somebody who is struggling with daily discipline but should also have completed a basic reading. If you are just starting, बिल्कुल ही आप आज से शुरुआत कर रहे हो, then this course might get a little overwhelming for you because this course has been designed for people जिन्होंने थोड़ी तैयारी कर ली है. एक बार basic reading अगर आपने कर ली है, then we will set you challenging targets. हल्के में नहीं होगा ये कोर्स, मेहनत लगेगी, डेली बेसिस पे you will have to show up. And if you do that, structure, accountability and exam readiness, these are the things that we will deliver for you. Now, at this point, please note, if you are already part of our UPSC Essential course, you do not need to buy the Prelims SIP. This will already be included in your Prelims Essential course. हमारी कोशिश हमेशा यही रहती है कि भाई आपने अगर हमारे से कोर्स लिया है तो you don't have to keep buying new and new courses from us in order to get the best out of it. We are there for you. We are standing by you. Now, coming to the price of this course, it is 4,999 inclusive of all taxes. Until the 31st of December, there is a certain 7.5% discount. You can visit courses.upscprep.com to know more details की schedule क्या है, किस तरीके से आपको reading material दिया जाएगा, ये सब. You can check the brochure, you can check the detailed schedule. It is all available on courses.upscprep.com. Now, another special something for all of our old students, if you have ever bought a course from us in the past, 50% discount on this course right just there. There is no code that you need. As soon as you log in, you will get this discount automatically applied. Because again, all of our old students, we want to stand by you, we want to be there for you कि भाई अगर यहाँ पे दिक्कत आ रही है कि consistency नहीं maintain कर पा रहे हो, कोई भी problem आ रही है, this is what we are willing to do. Another special something for all of our old students, if you have ever bought a course from us in the past Prelims SIP is 50% off for you. The price for you will be 2499. No coupon code will be required for you. Automatically जब आप login करोगे portal पे courses.upscprep.com, it will already show you 2499. That is because we really do want to stand by our students. If you have ever bought a course from us, we don't want कि भाई अच्छा नहीं अब ये ले लो वहां ले लो ऐसा कर लो. Anything that we do, we try and do for all of our students. Even in the past, what we have done, UPSC Essential का जो 3 years का एक्सेस था हमने रेट्रोएक्टिवली पुराने एसेंशियल के स्टूडेंट्स को भी दिया था. एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी प्रॉमिस गोइंग फॉरवर्ड ऑल्सो, that if we bring out any new courses which we feel will be very beneficial for any of our students, we try and include all of our students in the past courses also in this. So if you're interested in joining, the first test or the first reading day starts from 5th of Jan, and the first test will start on the 6th of Jan. Brochure, details of which day, what reading you'll have can all be seen on courses.upscprep.com. And now let's just meet your mentors, people who have cleared this exam multiple times, 2 times, once cleared Punjab PCS 2 times, interview given, teaching polity with DU, extensive experience in teaching math and English comprehension. So you have an expert team who is there to guide you every step of the way for your prelims journey. And anything else, if there are any doubts, any questions or queries, you can reach out to us on WhatsApp, or you can email us on contact@upscprep.com. That's it for this video. If there are any doubts, you can also leave us a comment over here. All the best.